Hey, this is Sam here from kitchengadgetsclub.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. I'm here today with yet another one of my days dedicated to teaching you how to use the Ninja Speedi. And today I have got some bacon and I'm going to show you how easy it is to grill bacon using the Ninja Speedi grill function, and also what the bacon is like at different cook times. So bacon's one of those foods where we've all got a different opinion over how done it needs to be done. In other words, your level of doneness. So we'll be showing you in intervals the difference. Our personal favourite is 5 minutes, but I'm going to show you what 4 minutes looks like, 6 and 8, and then you can see just how long you want to cook bacon for using your Ninja Speedi. So, shall we get started with this bacon? So, first of all, it's all about how you like your bacon. So I just wanted to show you what it's like on the grill setting of the Ninja Speedi based on different cook times. And then you can see what cook time is right for you. So my bacon's not great, you know, when it kind of falls apart. But it'll still give you an idea of what your bacon will be like. So I think we can sneak on 3. And then your third slice. And then I've got a little bit left from some I did earlier. So I might as well use it all up, right? So that's all my bacon gone. So how we're going to start is I'm going to show you what it looks like on 4 minutes. Personally, we prefer in our house 5 minutes, so then we'll do 4 minutes and we'll serve 6 minutes, and then you can see if you're that in between and you are 5 minutes, or if you want it for longer. Right, so for grilling the bacon, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the different cooking times. So for each one, we're using the grill setting, 240 Celsius, 465 Fahrenheit. I'm going to show you what 4 minutes looks like, and then you can see how close it is to your ideal crispiness of your bacon, and then press start. If you're serious about learning how to use the Ninja Speedi, then can I recommend our new multi-cooker time and temp chart. It's brand new, it's on pre-order now, and it's under a £5, and it has lots and lots of different cooking times based on the different settings. From steam air fry to when to air fry, grill, steam, and so many others. It will really get you started with using your Speedi and understanding how long to cook your food for. And now, back to the video. And we've beeped. So do you want to see what 4 minute bacon actually looks like? So, lid up. Oh, look at that bacon. So, can you believe that's 4 minutes? Just 4 minutes on grill. Isn't that amazing? So if you do like it like that, then you're ready to dish it up. And this is what it looks like close up. As you can see, a lot of steam coming off it. So you can turn it if you want to. Oh, and that little bit looks lovely and crispy. So I'm going to show you 6 minutes now. So this is an extra 2 minutes on this one so that you can see the difference. Then, if you're feeling, all right, hang on a minute, I prefer a 6 minute cook time. That's not quite done to my level of doneness. Then the same temperature again, say it's still on grill, and another 2 minutes, and that would take it up to a 6 minute cooking time. And we've beeped. So do you want to see what 6 minute bacon looks like? Are you ready? Ta-da! So that's 6 minute bacon. So if you think about it, 5 minutes really isn't bad, because if you think that you're in the middle ground there between the previous ones on 4 minutes and these on 6 minutes. Take a look at that bacon, doesn't it look fantastic? Oh, I'm amazed. And then of course, there's going to be somebody out there that says, that's not crispy enough for me, or that's not cooked enough for me. In which case, you can go longer. So like I said, that is 6 minutes. And it's also brilliant if you want some bacon bits to go over a salad, then 8 minutes is what I would actually recommend. And then let's say you want your bacon super crispy, like making it into bacon bits for a salad, then the ideal cooking time then is 8 minutes. So if you notice, we're going up by 2-minute intervals here. So this is the 8-minute version.
And we've beeped. So do you want to see what crispy bacon looks like? This is what I would call ultra crispy bacon. So again, it depends on how you like your bacon. I'm definitely the 5-minute girl. So do drop us a comment and let us know how many minutes would you cook the bacon for, depending on how you've seen the different levels of bacon crispiness.
So let's pop it open and take a look. Oh yes, that's proper crispy bacon. I know a lot of our readers in the US love it really crispy like this.
Just look at that for lovely crispy bacon. So if you like bacon like this is how long to do it for. And also, like I said about the bacon bits, if you want it as bacon bits for a salad, then just cook it for 8 minutes like this, and then put it on the chopping board and chop it up into bacon bits, and it's beautiful. So don't forget to drop us a comment and let us know exactly how you like your bacon. Are you 4, 5, 6, 8, or are you a different cooking time? Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.